Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to delete files to your recycle bin or trash automatically inside Python. So there is a package here which works cross-platform, so it doesn't depend upon which operating system you are running. So the name of the module is send2trash. From the name itself, it will automatically send all your files to trash or recycle bin in Windows. So you can see send file to trash natively under Mac, Apple, Windows or Linux. So it will natively support all the operating system. If you're running on Linux or Mac also, then also it will send files to your recycle or trash bin. So I'm running on Windows here. You will see I have the script. So I'm just checking for all the CSV files. So in my root directory, you will see a bunch of CSV files are present. So what I will do, I will run the script. So it will detect and send all the CSV files to my recycle bin. So if I check the recycle bin, you will see the CSV files are now there. So in this easy way, you can see. So now let me show you the example code here for. So after installing it, just simply make a simple Python file and write. First of all, you just need to import the operating system module and also this module which is send2trash, and then we simply loop through in the directory. So operating system walk function is there, so you'll be taking the root directory, and right here you will specify which files you want to delete. So right inside this loop we will simply have this condition that if the file ends with, so here you can put the any extension right here. Let's suppose I am targeting CSV files, so it will simply delete all these files. So operating system path join, and then simply delete, print out this simple message that deleted. And now to send this file to trash, we call this function send to trash. It contains this function send to trash, and that's all. That's all that we need to do inside this. It contains this inside this module send to trash. So if you execute this, so line number 9, you will see indentation. Line number 10, there is some kind of indentation error. Let me just paste it. Let me target now instead of JPG file. So now it will delete all the images. You will see that it is deleting all these images, and if you check your recycle bin, you will see it is transferring the files to your recycle bin natively. So you can use this module inside Python. Simply install it and start using it. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.